So now here is the unboxing of it. Let me open it from the side. Okay, I already opened it. Okay, here is the box. As you can see, I mean, look at the headphone. This seems quite beautiful. Okay, why this cable is here? I mean, this label is here, not cable, label cable. Okay, okay. I mean, literally they make my headphones so bad. I mean, I don't know who will put this sticker here. Anyway, okay, okay. I think so. It comes with some more things, right? Okay, it comes with this one for the speaking. Okay, now let me put on my ear and demonstrate it. Jump back so to me. Here it is. Let me put on my ear. Okay. Okay, I put on my ear and then now let me connect it into my phone. The cable is quite long. The good thing is the cable is long. Let me listen to Havana Unana. It's comfortable, a little bit tight fitting. The bass is like good. The bass is sweet. I like this bass. I like the bass. Havana Unana. Hot in Havana. I like it. It's comfortable. It's quite comfortable. It's a must buy at the end of the day. Yeah, I can recommend it. Yeah, you can buy. Subscribe and buy.